Oh,
fuck.
Does it really hurt? I guess because it's pulling on your hair.
Yeah, it's pulling, like...
and because you have like
ripping
so
your
much, oh my
fucking
god.
hair off, and the wax is like wetting, so it's like cold.
Isn't it supposed to be warm?
Yeah, it is though. Is it warm?
No, your phone.
Is it warm?
Is it warm?
Yeah.
Okay, rip it off.
Isn't it supposed to be like more to the hot side?
Oh, that's sexy.
Tape it on my wall.
Wait, push it on harder. It's not on there now. Fuck this shit, man.
Ew.
You gotta pull from this one. Pull from this one.
Oh my god.
Go.
What the fuck? Oh my god.
Oh, it's screwed. Oh shit, how am I gonna take it off?
Ready on the rip on the sink.
Ah, there you go.
Oh my god.
That's the way.
God. Your leg is like
Scarified.